children, as I was driving to school today, I saw on my car petrol indicator that my car was very low on petrol as I had forgotten to refill it yesterday. So I quickly went to the nearest petrol station. There I found a long line of cars, auto rickshaws and trucks all waiting to fill petrol. As I was already very late, I parked my car at a friend's house nearby and took an auto to school. It made me realize how essential petrol is to all of us. It also made me think about other resources like water, air, minerals, etc. What would our life be like if we had no water for our daily needs, if there was no diesel or petrol to run our vehicles, no coal to burn and run our machines, etc.? Life would become so very difficult. Today, Revati's father, Dr. Shankar, who is a mining engineer, will share his knowledge about the mineral wealth of our country with Revati and also answer her questions about minerals. Let's listen to them now.
Daddy, my friends wanted to know about the work you do when I told them that you are a mining engineer. Please tell me what you actually do. Even I don't know anything about your work.
Revati, as a mining engineer, I am involved in the extraction, production and processing of mineral substances. I also have to ensure that damage to the environment is minimal when minerals are extracted and processed. Does that answer your question about my work?
Yes, it does. But tell me more about minerals. What are they? Where do we get them? Why do we need them?
Let's get to know about minerals in a systematic manner. All that you see in this picture are resources supplied by nature. The sun, water, air, soil, forests, wildlife, coal, petrol, minerals, etc. are all natural resources. Many industries like mining, forestry, agriculture, etc. revolve around these natural resources. We should therefore make sensible use of these resources. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances which are solid and have a definite chemical composition, and these chemicals are found in an ordered atomic arrangement.
I don't understand what inorganic, chemical composition and atomic arrangement are.
Inorganic means non-living, not made up from plants or animals. Chemical composition means each mineral is made up of a particular mix of chemical elements. And ordered atomic arrangement means the chemical elements that make up each mineral are arranged in a particular way. This is why minerals are seen as crystals. These minerals are buried underground. Some are also to be found at the bottom of the sea. Some others are on the surface of the earth. Miners dig out the minerals. Metals are taken out of these minerals. All rocks on earth have minerals in them. A rock with a large amount of one particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. For example, iron ore. Look at the following pictures. You will get a better idea about mines and mining equipment and ores.
Oh, good! Now I understand what are minerals. The pictures which you have shown me have made it very clear to me what a mine looks like and the equipments used for mining, and also what an iron ore looks like. Are there different kinds of minerals?
Yes, there are two main kinds of minerals. These are, first, metallic minerals. Minerals from which we get metals like iron, copper, gold, silver are called as metallic minerals. And second are the non-metallic minerals. Minerals from which we don't get any metals. For example, salt, coal, petroleum, limestone, precious stones like ruby, etc. Coal and petroleum are also called mineral fuels as they are used as fuel.
That's really interesting. Do we have these minerals in India also? Can you tell me more about them?
Let's look at the metallic minerals. I will tell you about 3 important ones in this group. These are iron, manganese and bauxite. First, we will look at iron. Iron is not found in a pure form. It is mixed with sand or soil and forms of ore called iron ore. Iron ore is found in the states of Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. We get iron and steel from iron ore in the iron and steel mills, also called as iron and steel plants. The first iron and steel plant was set up in Jamshedpur or Tatanagar. The other iron and steel plants are at Bokaro in Bihar, Rourkela in Odisha, Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh and Durgapur in West Bengal. Picture you have seen the Tata Iron and Steel Company or TISCO and its founder Ratan Tata. Revati, can you tell me what iron is used for?
Yes, this I know. Iron is used to make tools, utensils, bridges, etc.
Good. Now let's look at manganese. India is the second largest producer of manganese. It is used to make steel and its alloys. It is found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. An alloy is a metal made by combining 2 or more metallic elements, especially to give greater strength or resistance to corrosion. For example, stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium and nickel. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Now that you have understood what is an alloy, let us look at the next mineral, that is bauxite. From bauxite, the metal named aluminium is extracted. Aluminium is the most abundant metal on the Earth's surface. It is not heavy and resists corrosion. It is used in packing can, foils, in the making of cars, trucks, aircrafts, cycles, etc. Bauxite, which is the ore of aluminium, is found in the states of Jharkhand, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu.
Oh yes, I have seen aluminium foil. It is silvery in color. Can you tell me about the non-metallic minerals also?
We will now examine the 3 important non-metallic minerals. These are coal, petroleum and natural gas. They are also called as fossil fuels because they have been formed from the organic remains of prehistoric plants and animals.
Oh, then it must take hundreds of years to form these minerals and they will be scarce. So we must use them very carefully.
Very good, Revati. A very clever observation. Let us look at coal. It is very important for all industries. We get energy by burning coal and this helps in running big turbines which generate electricity. We also get other useful things like tar, ammonia, coke, artificial colors, etc. As you will see in the map, we find the coal mines in Raniganj in West Bengal, Giridih and Jharia in Jharkhand. Low-grade coal, also called lignite, is found in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. The Neyveli Lignite Corporation of Tamil Nadu is famous for lignite coal. Coal is used in homes also. It is used in very large scale in thermal power plants like the Guru Gobind Super Power Thermal Plant in Punjab, etc. to generate thermal electricity and for refining iron ore. Revati, do you know coal is also called black diamond? Now look at these.
What are these? I have seen pictures like this on your desk.
This is an oil refinery. Mineral oil or petroleum is got from deep in the earth and also many times in the seabed. This is called offshore drilling. This petroleum is called liquid gold as the petroleum is scarce, very precious and very costly. There are vast areas having oil called oil fields, and here oil wells are dug and mineral oil is pumped out. This is the Digboy Oil Refinery of Assam. Here the first oil well was dug. The other places where mineral oil deposits have been found are near the Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat, the Arabian Sea near Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is known as the Bombay High area. The crude, that is the impure or mixed petroleum, is pumped out and sent to refineries, and we get various products in this process like petrol, diesel, kerosene, mobile oil and cooking gas.
How do we refine this crude petroleum?
Every refinery begins with the separation of crude oil into different fractions by distillation. The fractions are further treated to convert them into mixtures of more useful, saleable products by various methods such as cracking, reforming, alkylation, polymerization and isomerization. I will give a brief explanation of how fractional distillation takes place. The various components of crude oil have different sizes, weights and boiling temperatures, so we have to first separate them. This is done through a process called fractional distillation. As you can see from this diagram, crude oil is heated and at various boiling points we get the different products which get distilled through various trays placed in the heating chamber. We get bitumen or tar, fuel oil, lubricating oil, diesel, fuels, etc. We have refineries at Trombay in Mumbai, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Mathura, Barauni, Guwahati and Cochin.
Oh, now I understand why there are such big refineries and how important they are. What about natural gas? How is it useful?
Natural gas is found along with petroleum. It is used in industries and also in thermal power plants. It is also used as domestic fuel which we get in cylinders or as piped gas in our homes. It is also converted to ammonia which has many industrial uses. This gas is also used to produce compressed natural gas or CNG. This gas is used in cars, buses, etc.
There is so much talk about protecting our natural resources. How and why should we protect our resources like minerals?
Protection or conservation is very important because of many reasons. These are: firstly, these are very scarce and precious resources. Once they are used, they will be exhausted. Secondly, since they take hundreds of years to renew, they are generally called as non-renewable resources, and this makes their conservation very essential. Thirdly, they will not last forever, but our demands for these are ever increasing. So we must use these resources carefully. We must look for other renewable sources of energy like sun's energy, wind energy, water or hydro energy, etc. We should also reduce our dependence on coal and mineral oils. Revati, you must find out why coal is called black diamond.
Thank you very much. I have understood a lot about minerals and their uses. I will find out more about them.
So children, I am sure with such a clear explanation about minerals, all of you also might have understood, like Revati, what an important role minerals play in our life. You must all now find out in what simple ways we can help and conserve our natural resources.